Hello students, today we are going to discuss our next topic and our today's next topic is the seasons. This is from the chapter number 4, climate only. Though we are saying that Indian climate is a monsoon type of the climate, the monsoon type of the climate is characterized by the different seasonal patterns actually. The weather condition of India greatly change from one season to another. These changes are particularly noticeable in the interior part of the country, but the coastal areas do not experience much variation of the weather or the much variation of the temperature. So in case of the India, we are having the different kind of the seasons. In case of the seasons, we are having in India the 4 seasons, that is the cold weather season, the hot weather season, the advancing monsoon and the retreating monsoon. Cold weather season means you all know it is the winter. Hot weather season means it is the summer. The advancing monsoon means monsoon has been divided into two parts. One is the advancing and another one is the withdrawal or the retreating of the monsoon. Advancing monsoon means this is the time when rainfall starts, and withdrawing monsoon means this is a gradual process when the rainfall over from the Indian landmass. So today we are going to discuss about the cold weather season and as well as the hot weather season. The cold weather season. The cold weather season begins in the month of the November in India, basically in northern India, and stays till February. December and January are the coldest month in the northern part of our country. The temperature decreases in this particular time from the south to the north, as I have already said that the southern part of India, due to the nearness to the sea, this all are having the moderating influence of the sea. The temperature is decreasing towards the sea only. The average temperature of the Chennai on the eastern coast, it is between 24 degree to 25 degrees Celsius, while in the northern plain it is ranges between 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. The days are warm and the nights are cold. Even frost is a very common phenomena in this particular time. In the higher slopes of the Himalaya experiences the snowfall. The frost is a very common phenomenon in this time because we have seen in the plain regions the dew in the morning. So if the temperature is below freezing point or if the temperature is below 0 degree, so those dews are converted into the frost only. So in the frost is a common thing in the northern India. Even in the higher slopes of the Himalaya, we can experience the snowfall only. Now the slopes of the Himalaya also experience the snowfall during the winter season, as well as during this season the northwest trade winds are prevail over the country. Basically, the Indian landmass during the winter, due to the low temperature, it is having the high pressure. So the wind is moving from the land to the sea, because land is the area of the high pressure and in the winter seas are comparatively having the low pressure. So the winds are moving from the land to the sea, and most of the part of our country having the dry season. Some amount of the rainfall occurs in Tamil Nadu coast, because in the Tamil Nadu coast we are getting the rainfall during the withdrawal of the monsoon also. During the withdrawal of the monsoon, when the winds are going back from the towards the Tamil Nadu coast, that time they have to cross the Bay of Bengal, and again they recollect the moisture from the Bay of Bengal. So this particular part getting the rainfall in the month of the winter. The northern part of our country having a high pressure region, as well as the light wind is moving outwards from this particular area. Generally in the winter you can notice that the skies are very much clear, the low temperature is there, humidity is also very low, even the variable feeble winds are present over this time. In case of this winter only, we can see the cyclonic disturbance occur. We already known to this term western cyclonic disturbance. So in this particular season in the northern plains, we are having the western cyclonic disturbance from west to the northwest part of our country. This low pressure system actually originate over the Mediterranean Sea, and they cross the Western Asia, Then they move to India along with the westerly flow. Due to this also, in the winter season only, sometimes the cyclonic disturbance occur in the northwestern states of our country. Because of this, the much needed winter rainfall occurred over the plains of India. Even the snowfalls occur in the mountain also. The total amount of the rainfall that is locally known as Mahavat in winter. And this is very much important for the cultivation of the Rabi crop also. So these all are the characteristics of the winter months only. The peninsular region doesn't have the well-defined cold season in this particular time, and there is hardly any noticeable seasonal change in the temperature pattern during the winters due to the moderating influence of the sea. Basically, this seasonal changes, it's highly noticeable in the northern part of India, but it is hardly noticeable in the southern part of our country. Now the next one, it is the summer. Now the hot weather season is known as the summer, and the time span of the summer is basically March to May. In the March, the temperature increases about the 38 degrees Celsius in the Deccan Plateau area. In the April, the temperature in the Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh is around 42 degrees Celsius. In May, the temperature is around 45 degrees Celsius. It is very much common in the northwestern part of our country. In peninsular India, the temperature remained lower due to the moderating influence of the ocean. Due to the moderating influence of the ocean, in the peninsular India, the temperature is less. In case of the summer, we all know the temperature is rising during the summer, and due to the rise of the temperature, the air pressure is falling only in the northern part of our country. Towards the end of the May, what happened in this region, particularly third desert area, Patna Charnakpur region, the low pressure developed because due to the high of the temperature only. In this particular season, there are some features are there like the Loo, Kal Boishakhi, mango shower and all. Now we will discuss about the Loo. Now Loo is a striking feature of the hot weather season only. In this Loo, actually a strong gusty dry winds blowing during the day over the north and northwestern India. Sometimes it continues until the late evening. Direct exposure to this wind may prove to be fatal. Dust storms are very common during the month of the May in the northern India, and due to these storms only there is a temporary relief occur as they lower the temperature and may bring light rain and cool breeze only. From Loo, a short note can come. Write a short note on the Loo. Kal Boishakhi is a local phenomena. We can say Kal Boishakhi is a seasonal phenomena, that is localized thunderstorm, even the violent winds, torrential downpours, and often the hails occur also. This Kal Boishakhi is a kind of the storm that occurs in West Bengal. In the local language of the West Bengal, we are saying it is Kal Boishakhi. And this Kal Boishakhi is known by different states by different names only. This is also occur in winter only. And the last one, that is the mango shower. Towards the close of the summer season, a pre-monsoon shower, very common especially in Kerala and Karnataka. And they help in the early ripening of the mangoes. And that is called mango shower. This mango shower is also an important feature of Kerala and Karnataka because it helps in the ripening of the mango. So these all are the characteristics of the summer season. Now we have to prepare a 5 marks question for the characteristics of the summer as well as the characteristics of the winter. Thank you.